Hi. Today I have some problem with my alternator and trying to show you how the bad alternator sounds. I don't know if you can hear this whining noise. I'll show you. So this is kind of whining sound, and then I'll try to show what happened. I'll try to show what happened if I disconnect. This is the charging line, so you can hear that the whining sound just disappeared after I disconnecting this charging line. You can see this, but don't touch this, you may be electrocuted. So definitely it's time to replace the alternator. I think it's the second time. The first time I have used some Chinese-made alternator, and then I just used it 3 months and then it's gone. Yeah, I have a new replacement part. Hopefully it can last longer.